Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are doing ayah number 92, Surah Baqarah, ayah number 92. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولقد جاءكم موسى بالبينات ثم اتخذتم ولقد to pronounce wow, you have to circle your lips. Don't use upper teeth to touch lower lip. It's not the style to pronounce wow. So for wow, circle your lips well. And for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, wala, la, short. Wala, the way wow is short, lam is short. Wala, qad, qaf is heavy letter, and dal will get qalqala. Because whenever there are qutubujatin, qaf, ta, ba, qutubu, sorry, qutubu jaddin. These are how many letters? Let me check. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. If any of these letters will get sukoon, temporary sukoon or permanent sukoon, whichever sukoon they will have, they will get qalqala. And qalqala is to the ba'ud of the makhraj. Like you will give gap in between. So qad, wala qad, ja, ja is 4 haraka long, is very strong letter, hamza, and for fatha, open your jaws. So ja and a will be the separate two sounds. The ja will not merge into hamza and then kum. It's not ja kum. No, it's ja akum. Ja is separate, hamza is separate. Give these two sounds separately. Ja kum. For dhamma, circle your lips well. Kum, kaf is very light letter, and then there is the two memes are merged in. So we will give gunna. Whenever meme and noon, two letters. Okay, wait. The second note is noon or meme. Whenever there will be the tashdid on these two letters, it will get two haraka gunna. We don't say two in Tajweed language, but it's roughly two haraka long, and it depends on the speed of your tilawa too. But uh, the way we are learning, it's tartil, very clear tilawa. So we will give two haraka long gunna. Kum, and what gunna is? Gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. When you keep the sound in your nose, it calls gunna. And how long you should keep this sound? It's two haraka. Ja'akum. Mu. Mu is two counts long. This mu, wow. Why? Because wow sakina qablaha matmum. There is wow sakun, and before wow sakun there is dhamma. There is space before it, and that will be two haraka long. Sa is seen alif saghira sa. We are not pronouncing ya over here because this is the style of writing of Quran, and this scene is attached with this alif actually, and we are not pronouncing ya. It's Musa. Sa is two counts long. Bil, ba, for every kasra give e sound, and there will be tawassut on t on lam. It's bil bayyinati bayyi there will be number on ya because there is tashdid. Whenever wow, letter wow or ya will get tashdid, it will always get number. And what number is? We give capital N for this uh, rule, and that is never. What never a number is? Never is a jump of sound, little jump of sound, so it becomes more prominent. Bay yi bay yi na 2 counts long, t short, and for kasra every kasra give e sound. Bil bay yi na ti. For every dhamma, whenever dhamma comes, give circle your lips very well. Thum, look, meme is with tashdid. And what we discussed here, whenever you will find noon or meme with tashdid, you will give 2 haraka gunna, longer gunna. Thum, this is called gunna. And for fatha is very short sound. Ma, Thumma. But this meme is attached with ta. So we will attach this meme with ta. Thum. After giving punna, we will attach this meme with ta. Mat, ta, ta. For fatha, very short sound. And for fatha, what mechanism works? You have to open your jaws. Kha is heavy, dal is light, and for dal, give rakhawa, the sound will go on. Khad, and dal will be light. Kha will be heavy, and dal light. Khad, tu, circle your lips well for dhamma. Meme is attached with lam. Give circle your lips for dhamma, and for lam, you will give tawassut. And what tawassut is? Tawassut is to give a medium flow of sound. Medium flow of sound. Mul, ain. Ain should be very clearly from your throat. Li. And for kasra, e sound should be there. Li. And for jim, there will be qalqala. What qalqala is? Qalqala is the ba'ud of your makhraj. Like you will separate the makhraj, so it will create the sound. Orige, orige. Look, I'm doing qalqala on qaf, aqo. Qalqala on ta, ato. Qalqala on ba, abe. Qalqala on jim, aje. Qalqala on dal, ade. So there is jim, so orige, orige. Yes, you can say it's little bounce, but it's not bouncing of the sound. It is the ba'ud. It is to separate the makhraj. Aiji, la, lam is short, and mim for kasra, give e sound. For every kasra, give e sound. For zer, give e sound, and mim, and this is iqlab. For after noon sakin, there is ba, and whenever you find ba after noon sakin, you change the sound of noon into mim. Mim ba. For ba, for fatha, open your jaws, or for ain, give very clear sound from your throat because this is a throat letter. Ba, d is short. He, 2 counts long. Wa, circle your lips well. For fatha, open your jaws. And keep your sound in your nose because it is ikhfa, and gunna is the must part of ikhfa. When you hide noon, because there's noon sakina, and after noon sakina ta comes, and ta is the part of ikhfa letters, so you will keep the sound in your nose too. Wa antum, for dhamma, or circle your lips well, or, and for meme, give tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Lo, 2 counts long. Li, for every kasra, give e sound. It's not le. Zalimun, it's not zali. It's lo, li, moon. 4 counts long. And when you'll stop, there will be tawassut on noon because it will get sukoon. Wa, circle your lips well. For fatha, open your jaws. Is, for hamza, give very strong sound from your throat and give flow of sound on zal, and that is called rukhawa. Wa in, a very strong and short sound. And for fatha, open your jaws. Khad, kha is heavy, zal is light, and it will get rukhawa, flow of sound. Oh, a is light. Khad, na 2 counts long. Me 2 counts long. That 2 counts long. Qa is heavy letter. Kum, circle your lips well. And for meme, give tawassut. Tawassut is medium flow of sound. You will not stop the sound of meme at once, but you will give it a flow, medium flow of sound. Kum, mi, ta, qa, kum. Wa, circle your lips for wow, and for fatha, open your jaws. Always, whenever there is fatha, open your jaws for clear sound. Wa, ra, fa, for fa, open your jaws, and for ain, give very clear sound from your throat. Fa, and give tawassut on ain. Fa, na 2 counts long. Faw, this is lean letter, wow, lean. And for fatha, open your jaws and create the very soft sound of lean. Faw, it's now fo. It's not fo, it's fa. Faw. How you can create this sound? For fatha, give very clear sound. Fa and then aw. Faw. After fatha, there is ow sound of wow. Fow, of is it is a heavy letter. So make it heavy. Fow, and this kaf is very light. Ku, ku. And for dhamma, circle your lips, and then this meme is attached with ta, mut. Meme will be light and ta will be heavy. Mut, ku, ta is heavy, and then it is 2 haraka long because waw sakina qablaha madmum. Waw, there is waw, and before waw you find dhamma, and that will be 2 haraka long. Ta is heavy, and then it is 2 haraka long. Ra is heavy because it has fatha. Ra, khu, kha is heavy letter. Du, 2 counts long. Du, ma, 4 haraka long. When you find mud letter and after mud there is hamza, you make it long. It is 4 haraka long. Ma, is 2 counts long. Why? Because alif sakina qablaha maftuh. Alif is with sukoon and there is fatha before it. It makes 2 counts long. They, this is lean letter, and lean letter is also 2 counts long. And you will give soft sound. They. How you create it? You give very clear sound of fatha and attach it with I, yeah, like I. They. Na, 2 counts long. Kum, circle your lips well. And after meme sakina, there is ba, so there is ikhfa shafawi. Kum, bi, ba is with kasra. Give e and short sound. Yeah, again, there is nabar. Look, we already discussed here. Whenever you will find waw or ya with tashdid, you will give nabar, and nabar is the jump of sound. After tanween there is waw, and waw is part of your maloon, and your maloon gets idgham. You merge this tanween sound into waw. Tiong, wa, wow. Circle your lips, and for fatha open your jaws. Was, there will be safir in seen, and there will be rukhawa on seen. Wasna, na is short. Two counts long. Qaf is heavy and two counts long. Lu, two counts long. Lu, se, short. Nia, for kasra, give E sound. For ain, give very clear sound from throat. Nia, na, two counts long. For waw, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ain from your throat. Wa'a, sway, swad is heavy. And this is yardeen, two counts long and very soft sound. For swad, give heavy sound, sway, sway, na, two counts long. Wash and wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Whoosh. For dhamma, circle your lips very well. For sheen, give rakhawa. Whoosh. Ri. For kasra, give e sound. Boo, two counts long. Why? Because wow sakina qablaha madmum. Wow, before wow sakin, you find dhamma, you find pesh, you make it two counts long. Fi, two counts long. Why? Because ya sakana qablaha maksud. Before ya, you find kasra, you make it two counts long. Qu, qaf. For heavy letter, make heavy letter not with your lips. Don't move your lips to make any letter heavy. Qaf is heavy, and for dhamma, circle your lips. Qu, lu, two counts long. Bi, the kasra, for give e sound. He, be, he, who, lu, be, he, mul. For meme, circle your lips very well. For lam, give the wasut medium flow of sound. Don't stop the sound of lam abruptly. It will go on for a little while. Mul, ali, a very clear sound from your throat. And for kasra, e sound, jim gets kalkala because this is part of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 letters, which are kotubu jatin, and which gets qalqala when they have sakoon. So a jim and with sakoon, and it will get qalqala. La, lam short. D, kasra for kasra, e sound. Kuf, for fa gives hums. What is hums? Flow of breath. Flow of breath. Be kufri, for kasra. If e sound, him, tawassut on meme, medium flow of sound. Qul, circle your lips well. For dhamma, for lam, if tawassut, medium flow of sound. Qul, bi, for kasra, e sound. And whenever any letter is attached with hamza, hamza gets very strong stuff, because the makhraj is cut off like knife, very clear sound. Bi, sa, is short, and for fatha, open your jaws. Ma, two counts long. Sa, short. Ma, two counts long. Sa, bi, sa, ma. Ya, again, ya is attached with hamza, very strong sound. Ya, mu, circle your lips well. For dhamma, here too, mu, uru, ra will be heavy. Whenever ra gets fatha or dhamma at the top, it's always heavy. So here is dhamma, so make it heavy. Uru, mu, uru, kum. Ikhfa shafwi, hold your sound. B for kasra, e sound. He, for her long. B, e is two counts long. Why? Ya sakina qablaha maksur. Ya is sakin, and before that you find kasra. So you make it 2 haraka long. E, ma, 2 counts long. For the ma, circle your lips well. Imanukum. Tawassut on medium blob sound. Kum. In. Ikhfa. For ikhfa, make sure you bring gunna, because this ikhfa is gunna. Just remember this statement. Ikhfa is gunna. Gunna is, yeah. Ikhfa is gunna. In, it's like whenever you find kaf after noon sakina, it's like you are about to say ink. In, kung. Ikhfa again. You're hiding the sound of noon, and yeah. Tum, there's kunna. Whenever you find meme or noon with tashdid, you bring 2 haraka gunna. So you are bringing gunna over here. Kum, kum, tum. And then this meme is attached with hamza and very strong sound. Mu, me, short, meen. Make it 4 haraka long. And when you will give sukoon on noon, temporary sukoon, it will get the wasl too. Mu'mini. قل بئس ما يأمركم به إيمانكم إن كنتم مؤمنين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.